Yeah, I remember that there was a question on what were the improvements or the impact of external aid in Africa. So the impact doesn't come in 1 year. It requires at least 3 years. But if you are working under pressure of presenting results, we end doing activities that will not contribute to the impact. But in fact, we will get some quick results, which is good also. But we need to have a long vision. Sometimes the partners change their priority according to the situation in their countries, are not predictable. The aid is not predictable. Here is not only in the side of partners, sometimes it's not predictable because also in the country we cannot fulfill the requirements that the donor expects us to respond. And it's very strong to say that partners want to plant flags, but I'm sorry, I didn't find the best way. I will try to change this after that meeting. And in the countryside, there is less empowerment of local capacity, not only in the public sector, but also in the civil society, in the community. It's important to have a community well empowered so they can make the right decision and help also the facilities, the management of health facilities. So it's a process that should be part of the next steps in the country to empower local capacity. In fact, we have non-organization working in the country. As was mentioned this morning, it's more than 100. But they are international organizations. We would like also to have a local organization with the capacity to help the country. But we understand also that that is a process. Also, it's not a barrier, but it's all the process in the health system needs to make sure that we avoid corruption. We cannot be tolerant. Don't ask me to say if I have numbers in terms of corruption, but it's something that we are discussing in the country, and we understand that we can do better in